Hi friends, it's Pastor Angel, and I'm so glad that you could join me today. We're going to be doing some worship and doing a Bible story. We're going to be talking about how Jesus wants to be our friend forever. All right, are you guys ready? Come on, let's go see what Ollie's up to.
I know someone who makes me happy. I know someone who makes me dance. He's the reason my feet are moving. He's the reason I'm gonna lift my hands and clap, clap, clap to the sound. Jump, jump up and down. Spin, spin, spin all around. I'm singing it out. Jesus is the very best friend, the very best friend I know. Yeah. Jesus is the very best friend, the very best friend for sure. If you know it, sing it loud. If you know it, dance around and around. I know someone who makes me happy. I know someone who makes me dance. He's the reason that my feet are moving. He's the reason I'm gonna lift my hands and clap, clap, clap to the sound. Jump, jump up and down. Spin, spin, spin all around. I'm singing it out. Jesus is the very best friend, the very best friend I know. Jesus is the very best friend, the very best friend for sure. If you know it, sing it loud. Come on now. If you know it, dance around and around. Clap to the sound. Jump, jump up and down. Spin, spin all around. I'm singing it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jesus is the very best friend, the very best friend I know. Yeah. Jesus is the very best friend, the very best friend for sure. If you know it, sing it loud. If you know it, dance around and around. Let's go, let's go, come on. Who know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Hello friend, welcome to the clubhouse. It's me, Kai, and I'm so excited to see you all today. I've been working on decorating my new kite, and I'm kind of stuck. Do you think you can help me? Great, thanks. The thing is, I want my kite to look really special. I want it to look like no other kite in the history of kites. And when I fly it, I want people to say, hey, look, that must be Kai's kite. So I had some ideas. How about sparkly letters? Or maybe adding some balloons? Wait, silly string? As you can see, it's a tough decision.
Hoo! Hoo!
It's Ollie!
Hello there, Kai. Hoo! Hoo! Decorating your kite, are you?
Hi, Ollie. Well, I'm trying. I want people to see my kite and say, hey, look, that must be Kai's kite.
Sharing something special is a great thing to do. And I have a perfect story for you. Listen to this. Just follow me through. Hoo! Hoo!
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Hi everyone, I'm Aisha. Welcome to my cupcake food truck. Do you want to see my latest creation? Ta-da! They're my Jesus is Alive celebration cupcakes because all month long we've been celebrating how Jesus wants to be our friend forever. And we can tell all our friends about Jesus. In fact, that's what today's story is all about. If you're ready, on the count of 3, yell, tell me a story. 1, 2, 3. Tell me a story. Okay, today's true story from the Bible begins with Jesus standing on a mountain. Tell me when you see Jesus. Do you see him? There he is! Jesus took his friends up on a mountain after he came back because he had to tell them something very important. Jesus told them that he had a very important job for them to do. Jesus told his friends that he wanted them to tell everyone everywhere that Jesus loves them and wants to be their friend forever. Do you know what? He wants us to do that very important job too. We can tell people that Jesus loves them and wants to be their friend forever, right? Right! Let's practice. Oh, look, it's my auntie. Let's call her and say, Jesus loves you and wants to be your friend forever. Ready? Go. Jesus loves you and wants to be your friend forever. Good job! Oh, look, it's the cashier at the grocery store. Let's tell him Jesus loves you and wants to be your friend forever. Ready? Go. Jesus loves you and wants to be your friend forever. Wonderful! Let's do one more. Look, it's our friends playing at the park. Hey, friends! Let's tell them too. Ready? Go! Jesus loves you and wants to be your friend forever. Way to go, guys! You did it! That's the big, important job Jesus gave us to do. We can tell everyone everywhere that Jesus loves them and wants to be their friend forever. Did you like the story? If you did, give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up! Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who wants to be your friend forever?
Jesus wants to be my friend forever. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who wants to be your friend forever?
Jesus wants to be my friend forever. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story. It's all true. We should tell everyone about Jesus, that he wants to be their friend forever. Hoo! Hoo!
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo! Hoo!
Wow, what a great story. Jesus wants us to tell everyone, everywhere, that Jesus loves them and wants to be their friend forever. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I know. I don't want people to think of me when they see my kite. I want them to think of Jesus. So I wrote a big J for Jesus because Jesus is my friend forever. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
How wide and long and high and deep is the love of Christ. Ephesians 3:18. How wide and long and high and deep is the love of Christ. Ephesians 3:18.
What a great time of worship and a Bible story. We talked about Jesus' friends and how they shared and cared for each other. They shared their clothes, they shared their food, they even shared their homes. They loved like Jesus loved. And because they loved like Jesus loved, everyone knew that they were Jesus' friends. We can be Jesus' friends too, and He wants to be our friend forever. Just know that Jesus loves you so much and wants to be your friend. Are you guys ready for the memory verse? All right, on 3, we're going to do it together, okay? And you can repeat after me. 1, 2, 3. How wide and long and high and deep is the love of Christ. Ephesians 3:18. Good job. Let's do it one more time on 3. 1, 2, 3. How wide and long and high and deep is the love of Christ. Ephesians 3:18. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you. We'll see you next time, and remember, Jesus wants to be your friend forever. Bye.